Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to speed up Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute 4 steps to speed up Shopify site. Tips 1. Use compressed images. Images are extremely valuable when it's come to increasing the visual appeal of website. When it comes to an online store, well-placed images of each product are necessary so that customers know exactly what they are getting when they make a purchase. However, high-resolution images generally tend to be larger files and can slow down page load speeds significantly. Tips 2. Optimize use of Shopify apps. Anyone running a Shopify store knows that they have to use multitude of third-party apps, but many of these apps run scripts on web pages which reduce Shopify page speed. Take a look at the apps. Are all of them in use? Are all of them helping the business? If not, delete them. Tips 3. Implement AMP. Accelerated Mobile Pages, or AMP, was created by Google to speed up the mobile web. This app converts sections of a Shopify store to AMP and indexes these pages with Google to facilitate almost instant page load time, faster mobile page loading, and higher placements on mobile search results. And the last tips: consider professional help. There are a couple of issues that are best left to seasoned Shopify developers to increase Shopify site speed. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.